Hud-Son Freedom Line sawmills, models Hunter and Sawyer. The Hunter is a dab green mill and the Sawyer is a red, white, and blue themed mill. Both mills are identical, and there are Freedom Line series mills, which is a mill that you can get unassembled and assemble it yourself. It's a great, extremely affordable mill for the do-it-yourselfer craftsman. A great way to get into a mill to get yourself some straight lumber. The mill has a 21-inch log capacity with 19 inches between the guides for your slab width. It comes with a lag down steel sections of track and uses the Hud-Son cam style dogging system to secure your log. The Hunter and Sawyer mill has a manual crank for your board height up and down, which has our easy to read log ruler that has your blade curve already calculated into it, so you don't have to do any math when you're making dimensional lumber. It has an ample powered 6.5 horse engine. This affordable mill features a structural frame out of structural steel and has a Hud-Son H-frame design supporting the band wheel on either side with 1.5 inch pillow block bearings. The guide system we use on this mill is a shoe guide system that supports the blade on top and bottom to get you accurate lumber. This is a great mill for the do-it-yourselfer, homeowner, farm, and craftsman in you for all your lumber and wood art needs. To our commitment to building and designing strong equipment made out of structural steel, you are going to be able to pass this down to the next generation so they too can achieve their dreams. We'd love to hear from you, so let's get cutting.